In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates in Woocommerce. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your online store's shipping settings are just right. Let's dive in. First, you need to head over to WordPress.com. It's the central hub for managing your website, so having easy access from the get-go is essential. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. This will lead you to the WordPress dashboard, your command center for managing everything, from site design to those all-important shipping settings we're working on today. The dashboard is intuitive, but if it ever feels overwhelming, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the different sections available. After logging in, locate the Woocommerce settings. This section is where you control all the foundational elements of your e-commerce site, including products, payments, and of course, shipping. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to click on the tab specific to shipping. Take a moment to scan the options available here, because customizing shipping is a crucial component of providing a good customer experience. Now, we're going to set up your shipping zones. Think of shipping zones as geographical groupings that determine shipping costs and methods for different locations. For instance, you might have one shipping zone for local deliveries and another for international shipments. To create a new zone, look for the Add Zone button. Clicking this will allow you to define a name for your zone, select the regions it covers, and start customizing it to fit your needs. Once you have your zone in place, you'll need to add shipping methods. This is where you decide whether you'll offer options like free shipping, flat rate, or even local pickup. To do this, find the Add Shipping Method button within your zone settings. From the options available, choose the one that aligns with your business model. If you're just getting started and uncertain about which methods to offer, consider starting with a flat rate, as it offers simplicity while still maintaining flexibility in pricing. After selecting your shipping method, it's time to customize it further. Click on Create Shipping Method to define the specifics of the method you chose. Here you can set rates, add conditions or exclusions, and tailor it to better serve your customers. By carefully setting up these details, you're providing transparency in shipping costs, which can lead to higher customer satisfaction. And there you have it. You're all set up with shipping rates for your Woocommerce store. If you follow these steps, you'll have a seamless process that makes both your life and your customers' lives easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps bring efficiency to your online shop's shipping processes.